greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by the dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. If life were predictable, it will cease to be life and be without flavor. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. You are braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Keep your face to the sunshine, and you cannot see a shadow. In every day, there are 1440 minutes. That means we have 1440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. The only time you fail is when you fall down and stay down. Positive anything is better than negative nothing. Optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you. Happiness is an attitude. We either make ourselves miserable or happy and strong. The amount of work is the same. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need tomorrow. Happiness is the only thing that multiplies when you share it. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain.